like I was saying earlier, like about Bootsy, Toto, opened right up after we got onto the park. Like,
Zeesha.
because he was feeling all like, closed down and like worried a bit from being in the car.
My puppy.
Yeah, and losing his family, and then hanging out on the grass with me and Chels. It was, and he wasn't eating. He wouldn't eat, he wouldn't drink. And then about, after he just got to walk around and chill out in my shade.
That's you, Zeesha.
Then,
look at
starts
this.
opening up and he's happy.
She's so interested.
And
Look.
he starts wagging his tail and like.
It's pictures. It's a video of her. She says, "That's me."
Yeah.
I've never seen a dog like have this kind of reaction, like so conscious. Look at that. She's so in love with it. Yeah, Zeesha, that's you. And Penelope. Yeah. She says, I love.
I had insight about his personality.
And I think she's seeing Penelope too. I think she really loves Penelope. Aww. Wow. She's just like, oh, I want to interact.
He loves Soren and.
Wow. That's me.
Well, Meredith was like controlling the situation because Soren wanted to be all over him, and I was one who gave.
Is that Zeesha? That's you. When you're a little papa. Yeah. She's like, how do I get behind? She's like, where is that? Where is that? Trying to go behind. She probably. Bigger than our moms, do you miss right? Your childhood? We don't. Yeah, I know. How big this world is. What a world! I know. World. When we look at that too. It's just moves. Or yours. I think she can hear my sister's voice too, and Penelope. Oh. Do you want to see Jess and Penelope? I bet you do. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. So like I was saying earlier, like about Bootsy, Toto,
come on.
Opened right up after we got onto the park, like, because he was feeling all like, closed down, like worried a bit. And she recognizes the room too, right?
Yeah. And probably Penelope.
Hanging out on the grass with me and Chels. It was, and he wasn't eating. He wouldn't eat, he wouldn't drink. And then about, after he just got to walk around and chill out in my shade and hang out.
Zeesha.
He starts opening up and he's happy. Yeah. And he starts wagging his tail and like.
He's a sensitive soul too. She is, but in a different kind of way. She's like tough around the edges.
Yeah.